We make a little drop. Good morning. Hello, YouTube. Yeah. I'm gonna go check out. Oh yeah, the new bike path they're building from Badger Road into Fairbanks. I saw they were making a bridge, so I was going to go check out where the bridge is and how far they've gotten. There's a highway into town. It's way too scary. Way too scary to take the highway. Especially on morning commutes. People are sleeping while they're driving. And texting and all that stuff. Just get doing the travel. Not the best material to use for. It's spinning out like I'm on snow. Really, I am pedaling. It's like power braking. Okay. Come out to Badger Road. Okay. Hit the button. Even though there's plenty of time to get across. Not everybody else. So I think the bike path will start there, where you can see the trail up ahead. But I'll take this is the old Richardson Highway that is no longer used, except for testing their paint. We used to have to go North Pole on this little narrow road. I think people were better drivers back then. Somebody's been testing the paint lately because I can smell it. Yay. About 61 degrees, a little bit on the chilly side this morning. It was in the 80s yesterday. I can go this way. You can get to the highway from here. That's a longer bridge than I thought. Looking good. Go check out the other side. Yeah. They don't look very friendly. crossed yet. Unfriendly construction workers. And I think there should be a bridge here, but you can't cross because there's too much water. Maybe in the winter you can cross. Not easy to get over this stuff. Anyway, the bridge will be right over there. Anyway. Back in the 90s, early 90s, I used to ride down the highway. And then I also used to go through Fort Wainwright, go in the back gate and come out the front, which was a lot safer. But then wars and stuff happened, so that's not an option anymore. Oh, there's our trusses for the bridge. And there's the highway. Bicycle riders. You just need a couple of 2x12s, okay? A couple of 2x12s, slap them down, you got a bridge. A little farther and see how the things go in the old Richard. Here's the old highway. It used to be a little scary when I first got to Fairbanks, and this was the road we had to take to get out to North Pole. We'll see how it's looking over here. just a gravel pit, but it is kind of scenic. That's the bike. It is kind of scenic, isn't it? Yeah. Another one this way. And we go this way. Yay! Sorry, it was a little sunny earlier, but mostly cloudy today with rain this afternoon. This public access sport fish restoration. They do put stock of a fish. That's what it. Sport fish restoration. Federal aid project. Anyway, oh yeah, we're right next to the bike path again is right there. It's not done yet, but it's still getting made. Tied into this. This should be the bike trail to town. They're gonna pave it, I'm sure, and everything. But I'm more fond of dirt myself. They cleaned up back here. It was rather messy. People were dumping stuff. A little bit of residue left. And that's from this side of the. Don't end up in the wild roses. Wild roses. I was holding myself back because I hadn't seen what they've been doing back here. Yeah, thank God I have suspensions, nice. But yeah, been riding my hardtail till last week, so it's so much smoother. I'll go look at the bike path this way. It's only about 6 miles. Bike path. And towards town, bike path. Both have died here. That was 2012. 2012? 2012. 2012. take the old Richardson Highway. I know, using the stump jumper to ride on pavement. Overkill. That's the bike path. We'll get there someday. And a nice new good morning. Thanks for watching.